Hello everyone, welcome to another Exchange 2019 video. My name is Ed. In this video we're not really going to do any Exchange configuration, but I want to talk to you about remote desktop. Now in Server 2016 or 2019, remote desktop is disabled by default, right? I have enabled remote desktop on this because it's a lab in Azure, but on your production environment, you shouldn't be enabling remote desktop. The reason being is because of the amount of attacks on RDP. I had a client the other day that had RDP open, even though it was on a different port, and they brute forced it, got in, ransomware the box, and obviously on the network, ransomware all the other machines on the network. So just be aware that enabling this and it's not locked down or it's accessible externally, they will brute force it in an attempt to get into your environment and then ransomware your machines. Most places like Azure and that give you a big fat warning to tell you to check why you want remote ports opened, etc. So just be aware that if you are accessing your servers externally, rather use something like a Citrix environment or Screen Connect or Parallels, anything that uses like a web interface that you can access your server without having it exposed to the internet on port 3389 and being brute forced and potentially ransomware. And that is what I want to show you today. Thank you very much for watching.